Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. This video today is going to be about a previous video that I did about 3 years ago regarding the Penn Warfare 30LW. It's a great reel. We've never had a problem with it whatsoever. Yes, we cast it. Yes, we drop it off the back of a boat. Anything that you can think of, we've done it with this reel. Just to clear things up, when we first did the video on the review, we never used it. It was right out of the box. I did the review for a buddy. We probably should have took it out and used it and stuff like that before doing a review on it. Other than that, we've had it for 3.5 years and we still have it to this day. We use it constantly, almost every weekend, either sturgeon or catfishing. We use it for both. I think the biggest one that we've reeled in with that specific reel was 8 foot 6 inches, and so that's a pretty big fish. And we're using it in the Snake River here in Idaho, which connects and turns into the Columbia River. Currents that we're fishing in are very strong, so the drag does help and it does work. So just to show you guys that, you know, I stand by what I said in that video, I went out and I bought a brand new one. You know, exact same. Penn Warfare 30LW. Exact same. So, again, you can cast these. You can reel in big fish. You could probably reel in sharks. You could probably reel in tuna, bluefin, yellowfin, whatever. There's some more comments on there about catching those types of fish. I personally have never caught a tuna, so I don't know. Great reel for the money. If you guys are in the market, make sure you guys do your research before buying, or you buy it off Amazon. You can always return it if something happens. Thank you for viewing. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Peace!